So these are the kitties. That one is a boy. Here's BJ's nose. And the little calico's a girl. This one is a girl. And that one's a girl. I went out the door and knocked everybody over. The grays are girls. The white is a boy. And the two orange, well, this one's kind of a tan, are boys. Hello. What? Hello. Yes, hello.